This is MD Azizuddin, lecturer in English, Government Polytechnic College, Nagarjun Sagar. Dear students, in this class you are going to learn fixing and cancelling appointments. Okay, as you have finished off your SSA, you would have very familiar what does mean by fixing and what does mean by cancelling. And I think some of you don't know that what do you mean by an appointment. Appointment is nothing but making some arrangements to meet a particular person at certain time at certain place. This is known as an appointment. So why do we make an appointment? Because man is a social animal, and for that everybody seems to have different works based on their skills and based on their need. So before meeting, if you want to meet any person, we have to make an appointment with the higher officials. So in this you are going to learn, okay, uh, how an appointment is made. Okay, so next I am going to give some discussion on the introduction part. Okay, the first one is we make an appointment both in personal and work and study context. It means, so generally, as I am the one of the what persons of a particular society, okay, where I am not getting proper drinking water from the taps, then for that I have to make an complaint with the higher authorities. So for that I need to make an appointment. In the same way, suppose after finishing of your diploma or higher studies, you never be keep quiet at your homes or residence places, and you may go for an employability. And for that, if a need arises for you to meet higher officials, and you have to take an appointments with them. Okay, so so right now you are studying your diploma in this college. Okay, so you can't directly meet to the higher authorities, suppose to do any particular work, to celebrate anything. Okay, students group has to go to the principal and what have some discussion with him. For that also you have to make an appointment. Okay, appointment is nothing but taking permission to meet a particular person. Okay, then you can start your conversation or communication with him or with her. Okay, to get done the things for by you. Okay, next. Okay, fixing appointment in advance avoids both the disappointment and the delay, since both the parties are prepared in advance. Okay, so you are not supposed to meet directly to the higher authorities. Before that, what you have to do is you have to take appointment. Okay, so after making an appointment, you are not supposed to commit any delay to meet the higher authorities, because so then what happens if you commit any delay in meeting with the higher officials, and it leads to what spoil or waste their precious time. Okay, so keep this point in your mind. So next one is slide number 3. So in this, it is equally important to adhere to appointment. Means, because whenever you make an appointment with the higher officials, you are not supposed to wink it off, or you are not supposed to commit any delay in it, because they are very busy and they won't have time to waste. For that, whatever the appointment done by you, okay, at sharp time you should be at their premises, and you have your conversation with them, and get the things done by them. Okay, next, second point is it is courteous to inform the other party if some reasons you are unable. So after making appointments, what happens, so unexpectedly some work crap up for you. Okay, at that time you won't go to the higher officials to meet the person with whom you made an appointment, and for that you should inform them before only that, so at particular time I made an appointment but I am not able to come to you and meet you. So for that, what happens in this case, the receptionist receives the calls, and he or she will allow the appointment time for others. Next is third, if you need to reschedule an appointment to a later date time, you should do that in advance of the meeting. So after making an appointment, if any work crap up for you, then and you may have the chance to postpone it or reschedule it. So postpone it nothing but rescheduling. So suppose assume that you fixed an appointment to meet a particular person on a particular day. So at that time unexpectedly you will have some work or any thing takes place at your home. So on that occasion you can't go to him, meet him and have your conversation, okay, with him. So then you can reschedule or postpone appointment. So for that also you have to make a call to the receptionist, thereby you can reschedule your appointment. Next one is, so slide number 4. So expressions used to fix an appointment. So generally whenever need arises for you to prepare or make some appointments with the higher officials, and you will be in a dilemma to what phrases and what words you should be used by you. So for that I am giving you a few phrases. The first one is, how about meeting on the 13th of April, okay, 13th of April or August. And next, will you be free on the 17th of this month? How does the 3rd of the June sound? Next, fourth one is, shall we say it on Monday? Next, last one is, can I meet the senior engineer tomorrow? So all these phrases are the sentences, it should take at the end question marks, then only it gives some some question sentences, and thereby you can fix an appointment, okay, by using these phrases. Next, slide number 5, it's a in this I am going to give an example. Whenever you make an appointment with the higher officials, the higher official himself never receives your call, and some persons work under them, and they may be considered as the receptionist, and you can see these receptionists in big offices, as well as hospitals, as well as some other offices, and they only receive the call whoever the fellow make a call to the particular office or particular sector. So fixing an appointment, so I am giving an example here. So first, what do? You may use your either mobile phone or a land phone at your residence places. So you take the receivers or you take your mobile phone in your hand and ring up to that particular person, and the receptionist receives the call, and she simply or he simply says you, hello, Ejuwal Hyderabad. Then you start your conversation by saying your name. So, good morning, I am Kiran, student of diploma in mechanical engineering. So, receptionist, yes, how may I help you? And like that, the conversation takes place between you and the receptionist, and whatever the things you have to discuss with him regarding taking an appointment or regarding rescheduling your appointment or cancellation of your appointment, it's mandatory for all of the needy persons who make an appointment with the higher officials. So once you fixed an appointment, you are not supposed to postpone it or reschedule it. Try your best to meet them at the fixed time, because they do have some different works on that particular places. They never want to waste their precious time, because so they don't have sufficient time. For that reason only, whatever the times they have, they use them properly, effectively. For that reason only, they seems to be very busy. So if we make an appointment with higher officials, try your best to go to him and have your discussions with the fellows. So in this up to this, I am going to finish off this topic in this period, and in next period I'll start the remaining topic for you, and thereby your topic will be completed. In next class, what I am going to teach is how the appointment is made, how it should be rescheduled, and how it should be cancelled. And in this also, definitely two persons take the role. The first one is the receptionist, the second one is yourself. And let us have some discussions in our next class. All of you, see you later.